Securing, accessing, and sharing data are all critical functions for any company. These activities are streamlined on the 3D Experience platform with the use of collaborative spaces, cloud-based data repositories that can be accessed from anywhere with an internet connection. Creating a collaborative space is simple. From the 3DSpace app, choose to create a new space and fill out the associated fields. The visibility of the space is also defined here, so you can control how the data is seen and by whom. The thumbnail image can also be modified to help members quickly identify spaces of interest. Once the space is created, add existing files from your computer with the drag and drop. This is also where data, created from design apps on the platform, is secured. For example, a collaborative space is specified when creating a new product in XDesign. To share a space and enable others to access and work on data synchronously, add members to their respective roles. Contributors have read-only access, authors have read-write access. Leaders and owners can also manage membership if others need to be added or removed from a space. Securing data in a collaborative space establishes a digital thread, and additional apps on the 3D Experience platform leverage this thread to accelerate company operations.